Managing diabetes isn't about taking medication. It's a daily commitment to health choices. One of the most important, your diet. What you eat play a major role in controlling blood sugar and preventing serious complications. Today, I will be breaking down 6 food you should avoid if you have diabetes and 5 great options to include instead. I will cover daily habits that can make a big difference. Let's start with the 6 food people with diabetes should steer clear of. Not just because of sugar, but because of how they affect your blood glucose, insulin response, and long-term health. Number 1 is sugary beverages. These include soda, sweet tea, fruit punches, and energy drink. They hit your bloodstream fast, causing dangerous glucose spike. These drinks almost zero nutritional value and can lead to hyperglycemia, causing symptoms like fatigue, thirst, blurred vision, and over time complications like nerve damage and heart disease. Replace these with water, herbal tea, or sparkling water with a slice of lemon. Number 2 is white bread and refined grains. Refined grains are stripped of fiber and nutrients. That means they break down quickly and flood your bloodstream with glucose. This puts strain on your body's insulin response, making blood sugar harder to control and increasing the risk of cardiovascular issues and nerve damage. Choose whole grain version like brown rice, oat, or whole wheat bread. Number 3 is full fat dairy products. Full fat milk, cheese, and butter are high in saturated fat. For people with type 2 diabetes, this can worsen insulin resistance, making it harder to manage weight and raise LDL or bad cholesterol, increasing your risk for heart disease. Opt for low-fat or plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk. Number 4 is fried food. Fried food are packed with calories and unhealthy trans fat. They slow digestion, leading to unpredictable blood sugar swing. They also contribute to weight gain, especially around the abdomen, which is closely linked to insulin resistance. Try baking, grilling, or air frying instead of deep frying. Number 5 is processed snacks. These are often made with refined flour and added sugar, high in calories but low in fiber and nutrients. They cause rapid blood sugar spike and contribute to weight gain and high blood pressure, both dangerous for people with diabetes. Snack on fresh veggies, a handful of nuts, or plain popcorn instead. Number 6 is sweetened breakfast cereals. Even the one labeled healthy can be full of sugar and low in protein. These cause sharp blood sugar spike, then crash, leaving you tired, irritable, and hungry soon after. Choose unsweetened oatmeal topped with berries and seeds. Now let's talk about the good food. 5 food that actually support blood sugar balance and overall health. Number 1 is leafy green. These are rich in magnesium, which improve insulin sensitivity. They are also packed with antioxidant like lutein, which protects your heart, eyes, and blood vessel. Whole grain are high in fiber and have low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose more slowly, avoiding dangerous spikes. Number 3 is fatty fish. Loaded with omega-3s, fatty fish reduce inflammation and support heart health. They are also high in protein, which slows digestion and helps regulate appetite. Number 4 is nuts and seeds. These contain healthy fat and magnesium, both of which improve insulin sensitivity. They also fight oxidative stress, which contribute to diabetic complications. Number 5 is berries. These sweet treats have a low glycemic load and are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve insulin response. Managing diet goes beyond food. It's about a daily lifestyle that supports stable blood sugar levels. Here are essential habits that work alongside your diet. Regular exercise. Just 30 minutes of activity a day can boost insulin sensitivity and support heart health. Monitor blood glucose. Check your levels regularly to understand how your body responds to food, medication, and activity. Number 3, stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause blood sugar spike. Aim for plenty of water throughout the day. Number 4, manage stress. Stress releases hormones that raise blood sugar. Techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help. Number 5, get enough sleep. Poor sleep reduces insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep nightly. Number 6, take medication as prescribed. Consistency with medication is key to keeping blood sugar levels in check. Number 7, foot care. Check your feet daily for cuts or blisters. Diabetes can lead to poor circulation and nerve damage. Number 8, regular checkups. Stay on top of visit of your healthcare provider, eye doctor, and dentist to catch issues early. Number 9, keep learning. The more you know, the better you can manage. Stay informed about new research and tools for diabetes care. To wrap up, managing diabetes isn't just about what you avoid. It's about what you choose every day. By cutting back on sugary beverages, refined carbs, full-fat dairy, fried foods, processed snacks, and sweet cereals, you can set yourself up for better blood sugar control. And by embracing whole food, regular exercise, mindful habits, you can create a strong foundation for long-term health. Always talk with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. And remember, every step counts. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science content.